Thanks for being with us. Want to give you the latest on a severe thunderstorm warning that has just popped in towards southeast Washington. The thunderstorm itself right now is sitting right over Pomeroy there in Garfield County. This is going to continue its track to the northeast. We're going to watch that work its way right into Whitman County, headed right toward the Palouse, probably going over the top of Pullman. Our biggest concern likely with this thunderstorm is going to be the wind. There have been some strong damaging winds with thunderstorms that have looked like this today. It's blowing trees down, some branches down. So that's what we're going to be watching out for. But on top of that, we're seeing plentiful lightning in the storm that's continuing to grow at this point. We also have heavy rain right in the center of it and even possibly some hail. Even for areas down toward the LC Valley, though they're outside the severe thunderstorm warning perimeter, there will likely still be some impacts. You'll likely still get some lightning in the area, some strong winds especially. Again, that's really what we're watching out for with this severe thunderstorm. So your best course of action right now, head indoors, wait for the storm to pass. Shouldn't take too long for it to get through, but it's going to pack a punch as it moves through this area, and that's the reason for the severe thunderstorm warning. We'll keep you updated on it all, though, right here on the Nonstop stream. Join us in just a few minutes for Nonstop Local at 4. We're going to bring you the latest on where this thunderstorm is headed.
Here comes the damaging winds. $70-mile-an-hour winds. Oh man. Whoa. Yep, here we get the 70-mile-an-hour winds now. Woo! Whoa! Oh, I just heard a tree just snapped right over there. Oh my God! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my God! Oh shit! Oh no! Oh my God! It's a tornado! Oh my God! It's a tornado! Oh my God! Whoa! Wow, look at that. That is some strong wind. Woo! Oh my God, that was a gustado or a tornado or something. Uh-oh. More snapping trees. Look at that. Leaves just littering the ground. Debris here. Oh my God. Wow. Look at that. Oh no. Don't tell me that tree's gonna fall. Pieces of tree flying everywhere. Debris. That is strong wind. That is like 60, maybe 70 miles per hour. Woo! Whoa! debris over here. Got boxes laying over there. Definitely damage has been done in this town. No doubt. Look at this. Wow, look at this. It's just like a tornado. Tell you what, that rain or that wind is very sustained. Okay, I gotta go in. It's getting pretty bad. At least go on the porch. Alright guys, here's just some of the damage in Pullman. This is really all around town here. Lots of big tree limbs down. So there's some more wind damage in Pullman. Big old branch down here. I haven't seen any trees on homes or anything, but we really got blasted last night. Look how thick that is. Look at the size of this tree. Smashed this car. This is in Pullman. So, yeah, look at this.
The lady that lives there, is she okay?
Yeah, everybody's okay. There are no injuries reported, so
Okay, yeah,
thankfully.
I used to work for her, and I cleaned both of their houses, and I just was like, oh, shit, no.
Yeah, there's damage everywhere. It's
Yeah,
pretty
that's
widespread.
bad.
Yeah, it
Oh.
destroyed that car. It's unfortunate.
Yeah.
It is smashed in on the top, so.
Shit. I seen a picture of another truck in Moscow that a limb landed on it, and totally just like right down the middle of the dual cab. It's bad. I was
Yeah.
driving home in it to Albion last night, right in the middle of it. Like,
Oh, and all
in the
that
black-
dust.
All the dust and the black rain. It was bad. I
Yeah.
pulled over and we came back to Pullman. It was
Yeah.
bad.
Yeah, I thought it was a tornado.
They said there was a funnel cloud out by Potlatch.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Amazing.
So-
Okay. Well, you have a good day.
You too.
So yeah, it did a number to the car here. Wow.
Just like many other parts of the inland Northwest, that storm left a good amount of damage in its wake.
Sure did. Cities worked hard to clear roads and walkways after the storm quieted down, but some neighborhoods were hit a lot harder than others. Our Marissa Rios shows us the scars left behind on the Palouse.
This is one of many videos the community captured yesterday of a storm racing through Moscow and Pullman. Vicious is how one man described it. Winds howled through the Palouse yesterday afternoon, giving the community a fair warning of what was to come.
It was rather vicious.
In Moscow, the damage left behind is minimal. Over in Pullman, snapped trees lay in the sidewalks. One car sits on the side of the road smashed, and some neighbors are still picking up broken branches from their yards.
It really came roaring through here. All the trees were... I'm amazed that more of them didn't come down around here, because as you can see, they're quite tall. That one across the street, the entire top came down and blocked the street.
The bottom half of that tree still stands, and the road is now clear thanks to the neighbors rallying together to chop down the top half and clean everything up.
Especially neighbors that I've never even met. But we all got together. I mean, even the little kids were hauling branches to the slush pile for the city to pick up, which they did this morning.
After a few hours of picking up branches from his yard himself, Richard Tafflinger finally cleared his yard.
Oh, I've lived here for decades, and that was the worst storm I've ever experienced here.
In Pullman, Marissa Rio, 4 News Now.